Yeah.
Regular milk, right?
Huh?
Just regular milk.
Just regular milk. Full fat milk.
Yeah. Nagawa daw si Daddy ng pini. Oh, what is pini?
Why it doesn't work?
Huh? It doesn't work on
Yeah,
you.
see?
I don't know how you opened it.
Yeah. It doesn't work.
It's like energy bar, right? Right?
Which one? This one? Yeah.
Pini, yeah.
Pini.
Oh, there.
Gimbal is Baliu. One, yeah. So this is the traditional way of making pini.
Yeah, every winter gumagawa sila ng pini. Para siyang energy bar. So, ipapakulo lang ni Daddy yung milk hanggang malesen siya.
This
Ayun.
is buffalo milk.
Ayan, then you're gonna
Not
add the...
cow's milk.
Oh, buffalo.
Yeah.
You're gonna add...
Full fat. You need the fat.
Then you're gonna add some nuts and...
Flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then jaggery. Some sugar. Some dry fruits. Yeah. It becomes really good. And we are using the wood.
Mm.
Yeah. Good.
It's nice.
Hmm?
It's nice to stay here.
Yeah.
It's warm.
Warm. It
Plus-
takes too much time, you know.
Yeah. Because you have to keep it simmering.
It takes too much.
Ito na yung likod ng bahay. Oh, nice.
That looks like calamansi, right? But that's lime.
Did you already remove the... Dati meron kami ditong oven. Where's the oven? They remove already.
No more. Yeah.
Gumawa kami ng oven before. Gawa sa sa putik na oven. Hala, natinanggal na nila. Kasi ito may kapitbahay na kami. Dati 2 years ago, wala pa tong bahay, ginagawa pa lang. Ngayon, tapos na siya. Lunch for today, guys. Meron kaming sag, mixed veggies,
So much. Look at this.
matar paneer, and
Chapati.
kain.
Plate is full.
Yummy.
A lot of food.
It's our 3rd day here in India, but English.
But, no more English.
No more English. I already maxed out my word count. So guys, hindi pa ako masyado nagba-vlog kasi very busy kami ni Sumi this past few days. Nagpa-practice kami ng aming English proficiency for an English test which we're gonna be having today. You excited?
Very excited.
Very excited.
I didn't practice at all.
For me, like, I'm pressuring myself. Putting pressure on me to get a higher score, but it's alright. It's alright kasi guys, so for those who are asking, tingnan nyo, puro English na ngayon. Today our vlog is gonna be like an English only challenge vlog. Yeah. So sa mga nagtatanong dyan, charot lang yung English only challenge. Sa mga nagtatanong dyan, hindi pa po kami nakakapag-apply ng aming PR ni Sumit. But, we have already met the requirements. The minimum requirements para makapag-apply ng aming PR application with our chosen PR pathway. So, I'm gonna be the main applicant. So, kailangan ko talaga makakuha ng high score as much as possible. But then, if not, still okay, I think. So, yun. At first, plinano namin ni Sumit na siya yung magiging main applicant. But then, things didn't work out. Parang hindi siya nangyari sa mga gustuhan namin. Hindi siya nangyari. So, ang nangyari, ako na lang ang naging main applicant. He ended up getting a new job na.
Which is way better.
Which is way better. I think I have not tell you yet about his new job. He's working na sa Meta, Facebook Meta, o diba? He's he's a chef. Catering chef na si Sumit doon sa Facebook office nila sa Vancouver. Ayun.
Yeah,
Less stressful.
Yeah, less stressful.
much better salary, and then much more better benefit.
Better
Actually,
benefits,
Wala.
better work timing.
mm-mm.
Yeah. Everything is good. Everything is better than before. So we make breakfast and lunch for the employees of Meta. There are around 70 to 100. It fluctuates every day, every week, or time of the year. It depends. So easy. Like, no, I mean, I wouldn't say easy, but there are a lot of challenges. But the thing is, like, it's in routine. Like, we are doing every day the same thing. So it's good. And I'm happy, you're happy.
We're all happy.
Yeah, we're all happy. Stay happy.
So guys, as for me naman, I still work at the same company, but then I got promoted. I don't think I uploaded the vlog where I announced that I got promoted. So I am now an assistant manager.
Yeah.
So I am gonna be using this job role that I have right now as my
PR pathway.
PR pathway. Oo. So align siya sa PR pathway ko, align siya sa parang past work experience ko, and then sa medyo inline din siya sa inaral ko. Andun na siya, but not still there, but at least it aligned, so I could use it still.
Yeah.
So hindi ko na kailangan mag-change ng career, unlike yung other classmates ko, mga nakasama ko sa aking college, talagang nag-change sila ng career. Yung iba nag-aral ng caregiver, ayun, naging care aide sila para lang makapag-apply ng PR nila. Yun lang naman guys, so we're gonna be going to Jalandhar. Hindi ko na pinush yung sarili ko na mag-vlog pa this past few days. Like, we just show you short clips of what's happening around, but then like I wasn't really focusing into vlogging because I wanna focus on my English test first.
Yeah. But maybe tomorrow onwards we can start showing.
Yeah, we're gonna show you around here. I'm
Yeah.
so excited na I just wanna finish today's exam
Yeah.
so then I can start enjoying. Ayun, it's gonna be like an hour drive from here.
Around 1 hour.
Yeah. Yun lang, I woke up at 6:30.
6:30.
Yeah, not that early, but I just wanted to like
I
talk.
woke up at 8.
Yeah. Just wanted to talk to myself because I'm crazy. Ay, bumabaril.
You can do it right now.
Talk to myself na. Talk
Don't
to
let
myself.
the bubble come out. Don't let the bubble come out.
Talk to myself in front of the camera. Hi guys. Kinakabahan ako. Pero I think CELPIP is much easier compared to IELTS. I already cleared IELTS 2 times before, and in my previous IELTS result, I got a really good mark.
Yeah.
My speaking was 8.5.
Wow.
Wow.
The maximum is 9.
Maximum was 9.
But CELPIP is different, right?
Yeah, CELPIP is gonna be different. Like
Maximum is what? 11 or 12? What is
12.
the maximum? 12?
Maximum niya 12 sa CELPIP. And this one, you won't have an in-person interviewer.
No.
It's just gonna be
You will
computerized.
be talking to the computer.
Yeah. But the pressure is gonna be on the time.
Yeah,
Yun yung pressure dun. The challenge
that's fine.
is like compressing all of the ideas in like a short time.
Yeah.
Sometimes maybe you would pause to
Yeah.
think of a new idea. Especially if you can't relate to the topic, it's really hard. But
we are driving the baby car.
yeah, the baby car. I wanna show it to you guys, but it's dirty.
It's fine. I'll bring it for
Car wash na.
Car wash,
After car wash, we're gonna show you our baby car.
baby car.
This car is really good. It can
Really
drive to, and it can bring you to
Really
like
good.
any places
I
you
love
want.
it.
Oo.
Especially for the city driving. Best car ever.
Oh yeah, like
Small
you
places.
would never get stuck into
No.
traffic.
So small.
Kasyang-kasya to kahit saan, ano pa yan, gano'n ka tight space yan, kasyang-kasya to.
Sikh temple. You should show them.
That's the Sikh temple over there. I hope the audio is good inside the car because usually it's not good. Yeah, there you go. And there you go.
This is the checkpoint.
Yeah, but there's no police.
Where is the police?
Taking
Resting.
their lunch break.
Here. Oh, it's
lunch
locked.
break.
Like we have said.
Yeah, so at 6 to 8,
So
we're
6
gonna have our breakfast.
breakfast, yeah, break.
Breakfast break, 8 to 11, we're
8 to
gonna
11, we're gonna have brunch, snack break.
Snack break.
And from
11 to 1, we're gonna have our lunch
Lunch
break.
break.
Sabi ni Kuya yung may briefing ng police doon sa harap ng munisipyo ng ano.
then when we're
Alcala.
gonna work.
Ganun daw yung pinag-uusapan nila sa briefing. Kung kailan sila kakain. So guys, we're gonna see you in Jalandhar. Wish us good luck.
Yep.
And in 5 days, we're gonna be lodging our PR application.
Yay.
Yeah, I can imagine, like, I still remember vlogging about the process of applying for a student visa.
Yeah.
Now we're here, applying for a PR.
PR.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa Jalandhar, guys. But since parang 1 hour early pa kami ni Sumit, magkakape muna kami dito sa Coffee Day.
Kapi.
Popular
Coffee
na kapihan dito sa India. Right?
Coffee day. Yeah.
Hinatok ako. Dapat din almost an hour yung aming drive.
Sige na, let's go.
Let's go. Ang pagising para mamaya nervousin kami ng bongga-bongga. Naging exam. Actually, kabado ako guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi nga, different yung style nito. So, feeling ko mabablanko ako. Taray ko sa likod ko. Dito tayo. Tara, G. Let's go. Ito yung kanilang menu. Order tayo ng kape. Order na si Sumito. Yes. Just make it sweet. Guys, hazelnut ano to, latte coffee. It's good. Mine's
Good?
good, yeah.
Let's go na.
Let's go, Sir G. Dito kami self-pip test, Dove College. Lakarin lang namin to, diretso daw. Kabado 20. Sana pumasa. Dami estudyante dun sa labas. Have you been here before?
I think so.
Ah. My hands are cold already.
What?
I don't know.
Give me your phone.
Nakabahan na, nervyos. Lagi akong ganito kapag may exam, may interview, may presentation. Laki naman ito. So big, ah.
Wow, the superstar is coming back.
I didn't know it's speaking.
Yeah.
I froze twice.
Speaking?
Yeah, the first 2 questions.
No.
I heard you like speaking like all the way straight.
Yeah, I was just saying anything.
I froze.
It's fine. It's
Because
fine.
you guys are too noisy. The lady beside me and you.
Yeah,
I got distracted.
it's fine.
But the last part,
Tagalog.
yung last part, I think it's good.
Good.
Yeah, I did well with the last part. The first 2, no.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
And then I missed 2 things in the listening.
Yeah.
2 things.
2 answers.
Yeah, like I'm not sure about 2.
Me too. I wasn't expecting this
difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, this much difficult. But the reading and listening was very difficult.
You think you did well in speaking?
I think so, yeah.
I didn't.
Speaking and writing, oh my god, I killed it.
Writing, yeah, I'm confident. Listening, yes. But like I missed some parts. Writing, yes.
It's fine.
But speaking,
Just two things.
first two questions.
You froze or you just didn't talk much
Didn't talk much.
at all?
At the end, yeah.
At the end, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry.
Ah. But I'm glad it's over.
Yeah,
It's
done.
I'm glad it's over. But speaking, I didn't do well. I think I'm gonna get an 8, but not higher than 8 for speaking. Ay.
So talking to the human is better?
Yeah, because you'll have an idea what's gonna happen next because they're gonna ask you a question.
And they always try to help you, right?
Yeah, they won't force you if you cannot talk anymore. But in this one, you have time.
That's fine.
And then you guys are so noisy. I asked for an earplug. I was writing the last part of my writing. But you guys are too noisy already. I asked the guy, do you have earplugs? Because in the website, they said that they're gonna provide an earplug if
Yeah.
you need an earplug. But then, no. Kasi guys, yung sa amin, yung cubicle namin is just like, ganyan lang siya. Pero you could hear everything what's happening in your background. And like, I was at the end of my writing. And both of them, because like, tatlo kami ngayon sa today's exam. We are 3. They were too noisy. I was doing this,
Like this?
but it's not working. And then, cause like when you're the last person to finish, you would feel pressure, right?
Not really, because it's individually timed, right? For
But I
everyone.
feel pressured, like I'm the last
Drink
person.
water. It's fine.
Nah, it's done. I can't do anything anymore.
It's done. It's fine. Actually, it's not that easy.
Not easy at all.
It's fine.
We'll see, because for IELTS I can do that really well. This is my first time doing self-pip.
It's fine. It's done.
It's done. I can do
Yeah.
anything.
Done.
I cannot go back to the past.
Yeah. Done is done.
Kung ano-ano na lang sinasabi ko, like grammatically wrong na.
I didn't really care about grammar, about choosing the right words or something. I just kept on talking.
What kind of questions did you have for the speaking? Like about the apartment,
Apartment, no.
Maggie? And then about the
Laptop.
paternity leave. Oh yeah, iba pala sa kanya, laptop.
Laptop. I need to convince my brother
Yeah.
that we should choose this laptop over what he's recommending, something like that. But it's expensive, but it's the latest and greatest, something like that. So, like for me, I just kept on talking. I didn't stop. I said few wrong things also, but it's fine. It's fine.
I don't think that this type of online speaking would really assess your English proficiency like accurately, cause like having a conversation with a real person is different than like having a 60 seconds full time, and then you're gonna like you don't know what's gonna happen next. You don't know what is the topic about, and then you'll have to write like whatever it's hard to like.
Tagalog.
Sobrang hirap.
Sobrang ganda. Yeah, just say like that. It's fine. It's done.
You gotta plan what you're gonna like on how you're gonna arrange your.
But you remember, I told you that you cannot improve in one day or 1 week.
Yeah.
This needs practice.
'Cause
But
guys,
we didn't really have much
Yeah,
time to
didn't.
practice. But it's fine. We are natural now, right? And we did our best. Yeah, it's fine. It's done. Yeah. How
And then, I
your
think-
coffee strain?
Oh yeah,
Sorry.
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 Balloon.
I was feeling so sleepy, you know. Oh my god, the coffee didn't work.
Because guys, we're also taking some medication for the cough.
Cough,
and
yeah. But it's fine.
I was also feeling sleeper earlier, but because of my nervousness, I became awake. but still too nervous to talk.
Sige na. Tara na.
Tara na, ayoko
Tara
na.
Look at the traffic now. I
Yeah.
hope there is no traffic.
Really? Merong jago rito sa amin kasi may ikakasal. Ay, bumili mo. Mami, let's go?